Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix weather widget not working on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Allow weather app to access your location. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on allowed apps. You can see appears on screen. Weather app allow and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is reset location and privacy. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset location and privacy. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset settings. This will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. Tap on reset settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete and reinstall again weather app. Select the weather app which you want to delete and reinstall app again to App Store and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact widget.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix weather widget not working on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.